The Magical Tree of Kindness. Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Tommy. Tommy was known throughout the village for his mischievousness. He often played pranks on his friends, teased the animals, and was generally not very kind to anyone. One sunny morning, as Tommy was walking through the woods, he stumbled upon a magnificent tree. It was unlike any tree he had ever seen before. Its leaves shimmered with a golden hue, and its trunk sparkled like the stars in the night sky. Tommy couldn't believe his eyes. As he approached the tree, a soft voice spoke, "Greetings, young one. I am the magical tree of kindness, and I have been waiting for someone like you." Tommy was both amazed and bewildered. "The magical tree of kindness," he exclaimed. "What can you do?" The tree replied, "I have the power to grant you a special gift, Tommy. I can give you the ability to make others happy and spread kindness wherever you go. But, in return, you must promise to use this gift wisely and never harm others with it." Tommy thought for a moment. He realized that his mischievous ways had not brought him much joy, and he longed for friends who truly cared for him. So, he made the promise to the magical tree of kindness. As time passed, something wonderful happened. Tommy's kindness began to spread like wildfire. People in the village started being kinder to each other. Smiles replaced frowns, and laughter filled the air. Even the animals seemed happier, and they frolicked in the meadows without fear of being teased. One day, as Tommy sat beneath the magical tree of kindness, he heard the same soft voice speak once more. "You have used your gift wisely, Tommy, and you have made the world a better place. Now, I have one final gift for you." The tree's branches extended, and a beautiful golden apple appeared. Tommy plucked it from the tree, and as he took a bite, he felt a wave of joy wash over him. The apple had the power to make his own heart even happier. From that day forward, Tommy continued to spread kindness, and the village became a place of love and compassion. The magical tree of kindness stood as a reminder that a single act of kindness could change the world. And so, children, remember that kindness is a magical gift that can transform not only the lives of others, but also your own. Just like Tommy, choose kindness, and you too can make the world a more enchanting place to live.